For sure. Hey, babe.
Hey, baby. You don't say that.
Yeah, I'm coming for tea.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm good. Mm, baby,
Mm-hmm.
I want to talk to you about something. Can I come over here?
Something wrong?
Well,
Yeah. Anything at all? Just say it to me.
why? I don't know if it's that. It's,
Babe?
babe,
Yes?
you know, so from the other day, I'm not stop here the Vanessa voice in my head.
What do you mean? Your advice, I say what?
It sounds like she asked if it. Hold on, give me a second.
Patsy.
Yes.
Mm.
My day, I'm going to come in my shoe.
Yeah, you can come in.
Look, miss. I don't know, say we're Dolce.
Huh? Oh yeah. Karim sent it for me.
No, man, I don't like blue. That light blue can't hide. Light blue spray in your song.
Oh, Ricardo did there and Bob's did there, so maybe I one of them.
Yeah. And they say you want to talk to me now.
I'm ready.
Say you don't want to talk to me again.
No, man, that can't stay. Right, look,
Good
miss.
night, Patsy. This one. I kind of feel a little weird with this Vanessa thing. I think I'm for sure time.
Yeah. Kind of feel that way too, you know. Maybe we should have said something to her. Because it look really bad. I don't like what happened.
Yeah. Me gonna apologize to her.
Yeah. Because the girl come out the house to do exercise class and end up at do a different type of class.
fully booked. Some of the guests just left to go to the pharmacy and some are on the farm.
Yes, Nicey. I'm aware. I'll check the register. And remember, the book's on the side.
What you noticed?
Where the table?
It's okay. Don't worry about it. I am going to put a bigger table right here. It's going to be a gaming area. Don't worry about the cost. It's on me.
Nicey?
Hey, that's a very good idea. I like the concept. Yes.
That me I talk about Trevor. Come here.
I've always liked the concept of the rocking chair right here. We can get a couple more of them. We have a lot of space.
That's a good idea. I'll get right to it. Camille, we need some more rocking chairs.
And I was thinking when the guests come back, we could have a movie night. Give them some dessert. It's Sunday. I have a project at home. I can arrange for someone to bring it.
You know, that's a wonderful idea.
Trevor, come
Something
here.
new.
You both, what are you doing with over there? Like, it's a skybox. Come on, stock it with liquor. The guests are asked. What's up there? What do you think?
You know, we're going to sort that out. We're going to sort that out and put something nice up there. Right, Camille?